Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, guys, let's try. I will teach all of you how to use application. The name is GeoGebra Classic. Yeah, that's this application we can use to solve about operational research. Okay, I will share first. Insert image from file. Yeah. Okay, wait a minute. I will show example the operational research. Okay, that's with two variable. Okay, that's the question. Yeah, because the question that I will explain all of you on class. Ya, Punto merupakan seorang pedagang memiliki modal bla 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 and so on. And we have mathematic equal look like x plus y equal with 400 4,000 x plus 1,600 y equal 1 million and so on. Yeah, okay, but now I will teach all of you how to draw on this application. Okay, let's try to zoom out first. Yeah, zoom out first because we know. Okay, let's try. I will first teach all of you how to draw this dot. Yeah, 0.400 and we call the variable is a, anggur, a. Yeah, okay, I will put here. Let's read. Anggur a equal then 0.400. Enter. Yeah, this the result. Okay, now which sorry, undo. Yeah, undo. Okay, yeah, not here but here. Yeah, not here but here. Okay, we'll try. We'll change. It's not a, well, it's not a. Yeah, it's not. It's okay. Call variable GA. Okay, now I will this. Yeah, a. Okay, a equal 0.400. Enter. Cannot see. I will see all of you next. Yeah, and b. Okay, b equal 400.0. Enter. A it's anggur, B it's beras. Yeah, beras. But now I will try to draw the function with this function. Yeah, 5x plus 2y equal than 1250. Okay, let's try. Function f is 5x, yeah, 5x plus 2y equal is 1250. Enter. Okay, we don't see anything because it's very small scale. Okay, let's try. I will show all of you because the result is hundreds. Okay, now we will see the result. Okay, point this. Okay, yeah, we'll see. It's the question. Yeah, it's the question. It's the result. Okay, let's try. Yeah, 0.400 it's B. 400.0 it's B. 0.400 it's A. Yeah, A, B. The function is 5x plus 2y equal 1250 here. Yeah, okay, we'll try to draw now with line like this, click and see the, okay, that's it. Yeah, the function is x plus y equal than 400. Okay, let's see the result about this dot. Yeah, okay, I will try. Maybe I will change first the object property, maybe the color. Yeah, okay, let's try. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay, maybe color will change to this. Okay, and this I will change to this. Okay, it's the result. Okay, now we will try to this, sorry, maybe to, okay, maybe, okay, we'll change. Okay, I will say, nah, that's great. Yeah, we'll see the question. Let's try 0.400. Here it's A, anggur, and 400.0 it's B, beras ketan. Yeah, now we will see the result of this question. Yeah, I will try. See, okay, we can input these functions. Okay, the function we call g hey. Yeah, hey is 3x equal than 450. Let's see. Great. Yeah, that's the answer. Now we can change the color, maybe. Yeah, okay, it's the result of this question. Yeah, the answer is, oh sorry, delete. Okay, the answer is anggur. Ya, anggur is 250 and beras is 150. It's the maximum value of this question. Okay, thank you for watching. Next I will show all of you. Okay, so okay, here zero. Okay, save. Okay, that's our lesson today. Next I will show all of you another question, maybe look like this but different numbers and others. Okay, see you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.